What's going on? Just got a package in from Cali Raised. Got the ditch light mounts. I'm gonna take the ditch lights from the Crosstrek, throw them on the truck. Let's get it. Let's do this quick because it's like 100 degrees out. Ooh, it is hot out here. Alright, so first things first, gotta take the ditch lights off the old mounts and then get them on the Cali Raised ones. Alright, so instead of using the Cali Raised hardware, I'm gonna go with the rigid hardware that came with the rigid lights. Let's get to putting these on. Boom! And they're on. Alright, I'm going to follow exactly what Cali Raised said to do. And they suggest putting the light on first, taking on this first bolt, putting the bracket in, and then doing the second bolt. So let's get on and do this. Alright, let's go ahead and do the passenger side now. Oops. Alright, this is what they look like on the car. Looking fresh, dude. Super fresh. Alright, it is way too hot to continue working on this car. I'm gonna get back to you guys when it gets a little bit darker, a little bit cooler. Give me like 5 hours. Alright, it has cooled down some. It's been about like 2 hours. Whew, it's still hot out here, damn it. Alright, let's finish this up. Alright, for the rest of this, it's pretty much plug and play. Alright, so you got the female connector, the male connector goes in on both sides. Trying not to get it all tangled up. Alright, so these are your switch connectors. And then you got positive and ground wires. These just connect to your battery. Alright, so there is a grommet right here. You're just gonna pull that to the side and then feed your switch wires through there, and you're chilling. There you go, through that little grommet, you got your switch lights. Alright, so all I did so far was just zip tied it here, all the way down. Connected the wire and the ground positive, and then I tucked the rest of it under here. that should be it. There should be power going to it. Let's test them out. Didn't buy an OEM switch, so all I have is this dangling one. But I'm probably just gonna tape it here or something like that for now, until I can figure out another situation for that. And that's it. So that's that. Maybe about a 30-minute install if I did it all at one time. I'll keep you guys updated on the new stuff we put on the truck. There are some new parts coming in soon. Catch you guys in the next one. Peace.